Okay, this is what I got for my first harvest of the 2013 season. I usually may get maybe 2-3 more. I only got one basket this time. Usually probably by midsummer again. My end of July, maybe mid-July. I might be picking 2 of these baskets, so I get a lot of mint, more than we usually need, but for being such a small area, we get a heck of a lot of mint. It just goes crazy. You plant one plant, next thing you know, a few years later, it's everywhere. So this is what the result of the first harvest of the year. I got to clean it up, wash it, and let it sun dry for a few days. Then after that, I'll grind it up and store it away for when we make food. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So check back later this week for another garden video. Mondays are usually my garden video. Wednesdays are my tropical plant videos, and then on Friday, a chicken video. So make sure you check back then. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment below if any questions. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.